In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to type 10 to the power of 2 in Microsoft Word. Tips for Microsoft Office and Windows. Superscripts are a small but very useful formatting tool that lets you place a number slightly above the normal line of text. You often see them in math expressions, footnotes, scientific formulas, and professional reports. So learning this simple feature can make your documents look more accurate and polished. Begin by opening your Microsoft Word document. If you do not have one ready, you can create a new blank file so you can follow along without distractions. Having a clear workspace helps you focus on the formatting and makes it easier to see the results as you type. Once your document is open, place your cursor where you want the expression to appear. Now type the base number, which in this example is 10. Make sure the cursor is positioned right after the number, because the next step will apply formatting to whatever you type next. After typing the base number, look at the toolbar and find the font section. Inside that area, you will see an icon that looks like a small letter with a raised number beside it. This is the superscript button. Click the superscript icon to turn it on. When this option is active, anything you type will appear smaller and slightly above the normal text line. While the superscript setting is still active, type the number 2. Your screen will now show 10 squared, with the 2 neatly raised above the baseline. Word automatically applies the correct formatting, so no extra adjustment is needed. If you want the text after the fraction to return to normal size, simply click the superscript button again to turn it off before continuing to type. This keeps the rest of your document consistent and easy to read. Using superscripts in Microsoft Word is a simple way to present formulas clearly and professionally. With a little practice, you can apply this feature to many types of documents and improve the clarity of your work. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments. Give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell.